The Tesla bot is also known as Optimus. It is a humanoid robot unveiled by Tesla, intended to address labor shortages and perform repetitive or dangerous tasks. Tesla bot aims to fill roles that are repetitive, physically demanding, or unsafe for humans. It can interact safely with objects and humans. It can avoid excessive force or unintentional drops. TeslaBot could transform manufacturing, logistics, and elder care industries by handling tasks like assembly line work, package delivery, or assisting the elderly. By automating menial tasks, the TeslaBot can increase productivity and reduce costs, potentially reshaping economies by freeing human labor for more creative or strategic roles. Optimus demonstrates Tesla's advancements in AI, robotics, and hardware. It leverages Tesla's expertise in self-driving AI and energy management, showcasing its ability to integrate cutting-edge technology into new domains.